Can you borrow money from Chime? Yo, what's up, everyone? So, you've probably heard of Chime, right? That banking app that's all about no fees and easy money management. But here's the burning question. Can you actually borrow money from Chime? Like, if you're short on cash, can you hit up Chime for a loan? Let's dive into it. Now, I know what you're thinking. In a world where payday loans are lurking around every corner, promising quick cash, but often ending in a debt trap, the idea of a no-fee, easy-access loan sounds like a dream come true. And Chime does offer a couple of options that might seem like borrowing, but let's break it down. First up, we've got SpotMe. It's basically Chime's overdraft protection without the ridiculous fees. If you're a regular Chime user with direct deposits, you might qualify for SpotMe, which allows you to overdraw your account by a small amount. It's not a loan in the traditional sense, but it can be a lifesaver in a pinch. But here's the thing, SpotMe isn't a guaranteed thing. It's based on your account history and spending patterns. So, don't count on it as a reliable source of cash. It's more like a safety net, not a financial parachute. Then there's Chime's Instant Pay feature. This one's a bit different. It allows you to access your paycheck up to 2 days early. So, if you're broke between paydays, Instant Pay can be a game changer. But again, it's not a loan. You're just getting your own money early. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room. Chime doesn't offer traditional loans like personal loans or credit cards. So, if you need a larger sum of money, you're out of luck. So, can you borrow money from Chime? Technically, not in the way you might think. SpotMe and Instant Pay can help with small cash shortfalls, but they're not a replacement for a real loan. Now, I want to be clear. I'm not saying Chime is bad. It's actually a pretty solid option for everyday banking. But it's important to understand its limitations. If you're looking for a loan, you're going to have to look elsewhere. And remember, borrowing money should always be a last resort. It's easy to get caught in a cycle of debt, so make sure you have a solid plan for paying it back before you take out any loan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay financially savvy.